This is the brief on the AI trust gap among older adults. An internal research report from the AI Encore shows that while seniors' usage of AI is skyrocketing, they remain highly skeptical. And honestly, that hesitation is actually a masterclass in risk awareness. First, why the skepticism despite high interest? Well, 50% cite privacy and security as their top barrier. Americans over 60 lost a staggering $7.7 billion to online fraud in 2025 because AI completely erased traditional red flags. We're talking flawless phishing emails and scammers literally cloning a grandchild's voice from just 3 seconds of audio. So this isn't technophobia, it's high intelligence. It's kind of like refusing to drive a car because nobody installed seatbelts. Second, guided experiences actually cure this fear. A University of Michigan poll found trust in AI sits at just 34% for non-users, but rockets to 70% for seniors who actually use it. Wait, how does just trying the tool double your trust in it? Well, hands-on exposure gives them a look under the hood and completely demystifies the magic. Finally, professional mentorship is far more effective than self-directed learning. Look, seniors hold concentrated wealth on fixed incomes, meaning irreversible losses make solo exploration way too dangerous. Handing them the keys is totally useless without a trusted co-pilot to navigate the blind spots. A human-first mentor teaches practical defense, like setting a family code word, to really build informed skepticism. The ultimate goal isn't to convince older adults that AI is perfectly safe, but to empower them to steer the technology instead of being run over by it.